Change your style. Change your style. Bring your arms in. Smile.
We have come to the end of today's birthday shoot. So guys, watch out for my vlog, which is upcoming. Hey!
The girl.
I'm going to do a documentary for today. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the birthday girl. What does the birthday girl have to say for herself? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to see you. I'm so happy.
So what do you have to say? How do you feel seeing your sister doing this for you today?
So what do you see this light for? How did you buy this light?
I know, I'm gonna have mine. I'm gonna set it. You know what I do need to blow this tea.
I also got gifts. Thank you.
I always make me cry. This cry. Share this cry will pop, Sha.
You know, I actually have nothing planned. I'm such a boring person for an influencer. Like, I should do better. I swear. Actually, my plan was to not read my books. Because, but thank God, I have an Odogo of a sister. How wonderful is that? This one was at the back. Let me pick from that front. Okay, what flavor is this one? Beside this part. Okay.
Did you guys ever discuss about the Crusades in Jerusalem? The Crusades, like the church. But that was like way before. So the Crusades is when Muhammad established like the Islamic Empire in Constantinople. And the church.
We've done something about that, but we've not gone in there. You know, as we like progress, I mean, sorry now, by the time as we progress, they will start, no, they can't rush us, no, it's history.
Yeah, what year?
200, second semester, by September, I'll be in 300. So it's like a step.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a historian in our hands. Yes.
Listen to this person, like, do you do?
Yes. Jesus Christ. So this is food for you now because when you get home, when you get to your show, what will you eat?
No, no. I'm a cook, right?
Who is this? Be putting that thing inside now? Why is it dropping like this?
What am I doing?
They don't give you serviettes inside. There's no serviette.
Yeah, that looks good.
Juan, this content.
What do we?
Is it good? My cats are going to die. Oh my goodness.
Maybe next time we'll go to that Rubio's and their food, I pity their food as superior. Their first product is as superior. Their food is nice, yeah. They even have pizza and all of that, even ice cream box. We can always go there, sha. Their food is nice. They have cocktails too. Oh, yeah. That's what you cannot feel, you take it.
Yeah, well, actually, you can read.
Wait, though, do you have microwave in your clinic?
Yeah, I have a friend in Emerald. She has microwave. Emerald is not far from me. I'm going to run out. Go run and boss. I don't know business. Can I come out?
Which one has come out?
I thought I was come out.
Tell me now.
Now, Bill, I need to make effort to make it.
Are you serious?
Me and get a fight. I don't understand. All this mess, I don't start to read. 64, 66, 65, 61. I'm so pissed.
That's the one that is paying me the most. You know those 4 marks to 7.
And I don't know why it's not that he's always saying something about me like, if I have a mindset that this simple, I want to get a B, I'll get that B. Like my the way I read,
Based on like
based on
your
what is my
expectation.
head, do you understand? Like what is my is B is okay, B is okay, but this semester, no grade boss, no
Right,
best,
but no grade, please.
no best boss.
But you got A's now. Wait, you got
Lost half semester.
you have 4.1 now.
4.1.
If you're able to get A's this semester, you at least
I want
move
to
to
get
like
to
4.
4.5.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't say
Once you're on that 4.5, once you enter year 3, it will be very hard for you to even drop below that. That's just it. It's year 1 and year 2 that
I have to try.
you can accumulate points.
Sorry, that's why I'm not even like from last semester ending. I just like asking like alumni for like their notes and stuff. I know you calm down.
Like that. What are your friends now? What they get? What's that name say? What's that tiny girl's name?
You're too trying.
They're
Go
trying.
ahead.
Why do you say it like that?
Go ahead.
Is she staying at New Home? Moyo?
All of my
New Home. I beg. Her New Home is overrated.
I like my house. My house is just like inside and below. Like, once you let me come back, everybody smiles. Like, once you like party or music.
Your roommates, they are cute now.
Well, there's one my puppy. She's just smoking.
Are you ready?
Like,
Is that all?
I don't. I'm sorry. You will send me that.
I thought you were gonna make noise.
Switch it off. Yeah. What did you do?
I want to give you and
Yeah, okay.
I guess.
Oh my god, I'm so shocked.
can put it. J E S U.
Yes, Jesus. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
She's my baby, she's my princess, she's my angel. May God grant her all her heart desires, keep her safe, in good health, bless her abundantly, keep this big smile on her face all year long. Yes.
Well, first of all, I want to say I'm very, very grateful to God for keeping my sister till this very day. You know, she has actually been through a lot. We have been through a lot, you know, us, the family, and God has actually preserved us to see this day. And I'm also grateful to God for my life because, like, I can remember this time last year was not like this, but this is like a new, different level. And I'm really, really happy that God, you know, just decided to just do this for me, using my sister, of course, to celebrate my day for me. And I'm so, so grateful.
Yes.
Is it a lounge?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
But they are viewing like, I think matches.
Electricity.